If you see many videos that are telling you what happens if you do 100 push-ups for 30 days, here we will check the real truth of this challenge. What will happen to your body if you do 100 push-ups every day for 30 days? Will you build muscle? Will you burn fat? Or will you get injured? Watch this video until the end to find out the truth. Week 1. The first days are hard. Your arms and chest will feel sore. Maybe you can't do 100 at once, so you have to split them. This is normal because your body is adapting. Week 2. Your body gets stronger. 100 push-ups feel easier. Your endurance increases and you feel less tired. Week 3. Your chest, shoulders, and arms look tighter. If you eat healthy food, you may also lose some fat. Week 4. Now your body gets used to it. Progress becomes slower because the workout is the same every day. If you don't increase the difficulty, muscle growth will slow down. Important truth: 100 push-ups a day can make you stronger, but it will not automatically give you a six-pack. Without rest, your wrists or shoulders may hurt. Check mark. It's better to rest sometimes and change your workout. Final result: if you are a beginner, this 30-day challenge can give good results. But if you are advanced, you need harder and more varied training. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment how many push-ups you can do.